Chris.
And I'm Cynthia.
And we're the Hanye family.
So we're going to do another request for you guys today. This one is from the Lightning Seeds, and the song is called Sense. The only thing I've been told so far about this is that Terry Hall wrote this song. Oh. I didn't know a lot of Terry Hall's work outside of the specials.
Yeah, me either.
Yeah. So honestly, we're just learning some of his other work, which is fantastic.
For sure.
This was suggested by Peter Mizon, Darren Westbury, Kev Hansen, and Space Hopper.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to have to get into this then.
Yeah, definitely.
And here it is. The Lightning Seeds. Sense.
Somebody like you to kiss me senseless. I've had a belly full of faces drawn in sadness. I wanna jump deep into tides of loving madness. The taste of love, the more you get, the more you want. And all because the only reason is just because it all makes sense. When you're near, it all makes sense.
This is so cool.
It's very well done.
You're going to have to back that up before that harmonica
for sure.
gets back in
I just
there.
did, actually.
This is amazing. Like, it's so different from the specials, too. So
Oh, yeah.
it's interesting to see different stuff that he's done.
Yeah, it's very 90s.
Yeah, it really is. It's really cool, though. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's obviously, he said, when you're in love, you can't get enough.
Yeah.
And it's just because.
Just because.
It's just because. Yeah. It's
But
kind
yeah,
of true.
it's very interesting. I was noticing the drums seem very, what's the word?
I don't know.
Anyway, it was, yeah, they seemed a little weird. I'm watching the drummer. It doesn't seem like he's actually playing, but in the video.
Yeah, in the video, maybe, yeah.
Yeah. But, you know, things I notice. Let's continue. Jeez. Yeah. I noticed, well, I was trying to hear the harmonica that was being played in the background, but it's so buried by the rest of the song. And that bothered me a little bit, but, you know.
It was still good.
Yeah, just a poor engineering choice. I would have put the harmonica a little more ahead in the mix, especially since he was wailing on it like that.
Yeah, he was really good at it for sure. I could tell that. But this was a pretty song. It was well done. And I guess it's, I don't know, maybe the only time it makes sense to people is if they're in it, is what he's kind of getting at, maybe.
I suppose.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd have to listen to the lyrics a bit more.
Yeah.
But I was really getting into the music and just feeling it out, hoping for more harmonica. You know.
It feels really good though, this song. I enjoyed it very much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was quite nice.
So sorry. So thank you very much for that suggestion. It was definitely appreciated. Don't forget to check us out over on our Patreon page. It's $3 a month and we're adding stuff there all the time.
Every day.
Yeah, every day for the next little while because Chris is off for the next bit.
Exactly.
So we'll be doing a lot more on there. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, share with your family and friends, click that notification bell if you don't want to miss a video, and don't forget to enjoy yourself. Later.
Later.